Imagine waking up tomorrow, and the sun isn't rising, not because it's gone, but because Earth has stopped spinning. Right now, you're moving at nearly 1,600 kilometers per hour, and you don't feel it. But if that motion suddenly drops to zero, everything changes in a single second. The air keeps moving, the oceans keep moving, but you don't. Winds instantly explode across the planet at supersonic speeds. Cities are flattened, forests ripped from the ground. Anything not bolted down is thrown violently eastward. It wouldn't feel like a storm. It would feel like the atmosphere itself is trying to erase the surface of Earth. And the oceans? They don't stop either. Massive walls of water surge across continents, swallowing everything in their path. Entire coastlines disappear in minutes. But that's just the beginning. Because Earth's spin isn't just about day and night. It controls how water is distributed across the planet. Right now, centrifugal force causes the oceans to bulge around the equator. But without rotation, that force disappears. Water begins to migrate, slowly, then relentlessly, toward the poles. Within weeks, massive landmasses near the equator start to emerge from the oceans, while the poles drown under kilometers of water. The world map, gone. Completely rewritten. And then comes the sky. Half the planet is locked in permanent daylight. The other half, in endless darkness. On the day side, temperatures climb higher and higher. Oceans begin to evaporate. Land scorches under constant solar radiation. On the night side, temperatures plummet. Cold so extreme that the air itself begins to freeze and fall as snow. A planet split into two extremes. One burning, one frozen. And in between, a narrow strip of survivable land. A twilight zone where the sun never rises and never sets. If anything survives, it would be here. But even that wouldn't last forever, because Earth's rotation does more than create days. It stabilizes the planet. Without it, the magnetic field begins to weaken. Radiation from space starts leaking in. Satellites fail. Power grids collapse. Communication dies. The world goes silent. And slowly, relentlessly, Earth becomes less like a home and more like an alien world. All of this from one simple change. The planet stops spinning. No explosion. No warning, just stillness. And that stillness would be the beginning of the end.